Everything you need to know about Web 3.0? There's a lot of news going on about Web 3, along with who's for it and who's against it. No matter what is being said or the critic's view, the great thing about this is that it gives a great opportunity to become a millionaire. First, before I get into ways to profit and invest and make a fortune from this new opportunity, CEOs Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey have begun to express more interest in the concept this year. Comparing Web 3 to the present Web 2.0, it might be considered the new internet, so it's more like a peer-to-peer internet with no central authority. With Web 3.0, you can create your own personal currency. Today, almost 1 in every 4 Americans earns their livelihood via the internet. If individuals can use the exact same service, such as Instagram, but instead of the platform owning everything, the users control everything,